Science is always pushing boundaries. In the field of dentistry, a remarkable breakthrough is on the horizon: lab-grown teeth. Imagine a world where lost teeth are not replaced with artificial substitutes but with living biological replicas. This is the promise of this groundbreaking technology. This is not science fiction. Researchers are making significant strides in growing teeth in laboratories. This revolutionary advancement has the potential to transform dental care as we know it. The future of dentistry is looking brighter, and it might just be growing in a lab. For centuries, losing a tooth has meant resorting to artificial replacements like dentures or implants. These methods have been the cornerstone of dental restoration, providing millions with the ability to chew, speak, and smile with confidence. However, they are far from perfect solutions. While these solutions have served us well, they come with limitations. Dentures, for instance, can be cumbersome and often require adhesives to stay in place. They can slip or cause sore spots in the mouth, leading to discomfort and inconvenience. Dentures can be uncomfortable and may affect speech and eating. Many denture wearers find it difficult to enjoy their favorite foods, and speaking clearly can become a challenge. The constant maintenance and the need for periodic adjustments add to the burden. Implants, while more permanent, can lead to bone loss in the jaw over time. This bone loss can compromise the stability of the implant and may require additional procedures to correct. Moreover, the surgical process of placing implants can be invasive and costly. Lab-grown teeth offer a beacon of hope. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop teeth that can be grown from a patient's own cells, ensuring a perfect biological match. This innovative approach promises to overcome the limitations of current dental restorations. Imagine a future where tooth loss is no longer a life-altering event. Instead of dealing with the drawbacks of dentures or implants, patients could receive lab-grown teeth that function just like natural ones. This would revolutionize dental care, making it more effective and less invasive. Imagine receiving a transplant of a tooth that is biologically your own, capable of integrating seamlessly with your jawbone and nerves. This integration would provide a level of comfort and functionality that current dental solutions simply cannot match. This is the potential that lab-grown teeth hold. A future where our smiles are not only restored, but regenerated. With ongoing research and advancements in biotechnology, the dream of lab-grown teeth is becoming a reality, promising a new era in dental health and patient care. The journey towards lab-grown teeth is paved with cutting-edge bioengineering. This field is revolutionizing the way we approach dental health and treatment. Imagine a future where losing a tooth doesn't mean a lifetime of discomfort or artificial replacements, but rather a new natural tooth grown just for you. Scientists have successfully combined the building blocks of life cells to create living tooth structures. This process involves isolating stem cells, which have the unique ability to develop into various types of cells, including those that make up teeth. By carefully nurturing these cells, researchers can guide them to form the different parts of a tooth. These cells are carefully cultivated in a controlled environment, coaxed to grow and multiply. The conditions must be just right: temperature, nutrients, and even the physical environment play crucial roles in ensuring the cells develop correctly. It's a delicate balance, requiring precision and expertise. Think of it like building a house, brick by biological brick. Each cell is a tiny building block, and just like in construction, they need to be placed in the right order and supported properly to create a strong, functional structure. This analogy helps us understand the complexity and precision required in bioengineering. Scientists are essentially guiding these cells to arrange themselves into the complex structure of a tooth, complete with enamel, dentin, and even a root system. This involves not just growing the cells, but also ensuring they differentiate into the right types of cells at the right time. The enamel, for instance, is the hardest substance in the human body and requires a specific set of conditions to form correctly. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our growing mastery over the building blocks of life. The ability to grow a tooth from scratch opens up new possibilities not just in dentistry, but in regenerative medicine as a whole. It showcases our potential to repair and regenerate parts of the human body, leading to a future where we can overcome many of the limitations currently faced in medical science. The journey from lab to mouth is a meticulous one. In a significant leap forward, scientists have successfully implanted lab-grown teeth into living creatures' pigs. These animals were chosen because their jaws and teeth share similarities with humans. The implanted teeth integrated with the pig's jaw bones and even developed the essential tissues found in natural teeth. This success signifies a crucial step towards human trials. It's a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of the scientists involved, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Addressing the limitations of implants. Current dental implants, while effective, face a fundamental challenge. They do not fully replicate the natural tooth root system. This is a significant drawback because the natural tooth root plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and structure of the jawbone. When a natural tooth is lost, the root is no longer there to stimulate the jawbone, which can lead to bone resorption. This process of bone loss can compromise the stability of the implant over time. This can lead to bone loss in the jaw over time. Bone loss not only affects the stability of the implant, but can also alter the shape of the jaw and face, leading to aesthetic and functional issues. Patients may experience changes in their bite, difficulty chewing, and even speech problems. The long-term success of dental implants is heavily dependent on the health of the jawbone, making this a critical issue to address. Imagine a building without a strong foundation. It's likely to weaken and eventually collapse. Similarly, without a healthy jawbone, dental implants can fail. The analogy of a building's foundation helps to illustrate the importance of the jawbone in supporting dental implants. Just as a building needs a solid foundation to stand tall and strong, dental implants require a healthy jawbone to remain stable and functional. Lab-grown teeth, however, have the potential to address this limitation. These innovative solutions are designed to mimic the natural tooth root system more closely. By developing a root structure that can integrate with the jawbone, lab-grown teeth can provide the necessary stimulation to maintain bone health. This approach not only aims to prevent bone loss, but also to promote bone regeneration, offering a more sustainable solution for tooth replacement. They are designed to develop a natural root system, capable of integrating with the jawbone and stimulating bone growth. This integration is crucial for the long-term success of the implant, as it ensures that the jawbone remains healthy and strong. The process of bone integration, known as osseointegration, is essential for the stability and durability of the implant. By promoting bone growth, lab-grown teeth can help to maintain the structural integrity of the jaw. This could revolutionize dental implants, offering a more permanent and natural solution to tooth loss. The potential benefits of lab-grown teeth extend beyond just preventing bone loss. They could also improve the overall aesthetics and functionality of dental restorations, providing patients with a more natural look and feel. As research and technology continue to advance, lab-grown teeth may become the new standard in dental care, transforming the way we approach tooth replacement and oral health. The advantages of lab-grown teeth. The advantages of lab-grown teeth extend beyond just aesthetics. Imagine biting into an apple without worrying about your dentures slipping or your implant coming loose. Lab-grown teeth promise to restore the full functionality of natural teeth, but it goes deeper than that. These teeth have the potential to eliminate the discomfort and inconvenience often associated with dentures and implants. This technology could usher in an era where tooth loss no longer diminishes quality of life. Beyond stem cells, a more practical approach. While stem cells hold promise for regenerative medicine, they come with ethical considerations and practical limitations. Obtaining and utilizing stem cells can be complex and expensive. Lab-grown teeth offer a more straightforward approach. By utilizing readily available cells, scientists can sidestep the ethical and logistical hurdles associated with stem cells. This makes lab-grown teeth a more practical and readily achievable solution for widespread use. The future of dental care. The development of lab-grown teeth marks a paradigm shift in dental care. Imagine a future where dentists can grow replacement teeth tailored to an individual's needs, just like we grow plants from seeds. This technology has the potential to revolutionize dentistry, offering a permanent and natural solution to tooth loss. It's a future where we not only fix our smiles but regenerate them, ushering in an era of truly personalized dental care. A reason to smile. Ongoing research and hope. The road to fully functional lab-grown teeth is still under construction, but the progress made so far is incredibly exciting. Scientists are diligently working to refine the technology, improve the success rates, and ultimately make this groundbreaking treatment accessible to all. While challenges remain, the future of lab-grown teeth is bright. This innovative technology holds the key to transforming lives one smile at a time. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a healthier tomorrow. If you approve of this presentation, please click the like button.